Hey guys, so I want to show you a couple new features that we just added into the software to help you guys. Now, if you're getting this email or this video, that means you are able to use this. Please feel free to use this at best whenever you need to. If you have any questions at all, feel free to use these features because if you have these questions, the chances are that someone else might have this question as well. So the big thing is right here on the sidebar, you should see something like vocal call, schedule meeting, OverPower Marketing, and submit request. The first thing I want to show you is submit request. So this is basically if you have any support questions, like maybe you need help adding a user into the account or adding a phone number to a user or anything specific inside the software like an automation. This is where you also need to fill this out. You can email me, but this is probably better because that way it goes right onto our board, and that way we can keep track on it, especially if we get like a large amount of requests or large volume of requests. We're not going to miss your response. That's the big thing right here. You can also ask for a training video request because there's certain I know there's a lot of information in here, so maybe you have a question on how to add a user or how to use a power dialer. We could create a video for you because, like I said, chances are if you have this question, that means other has the question as well. Now, another thing I want to show you is schedule a meeting. All you have to do is click on that, and then you'll be able to schedule a meeting with me specifically. Don't feel worried like I'm like one of the employees here in the office. That's totally fine. I'll be glad to ask anyone from like the CEO all the way down to just a brand new employee if you want. Just fill out a time that works best for you and a time that a date for you and then the time as well, and then schedule that appointment, and then that way we could actually talk about it because chances are, once again, I mean, if you're having this issue, that means there's possibly other people having this issue as well or questions about that specific topic. Anyways, that's all I wanted to show you, but I figured it would be helpful. Obviously, if you can look around, mess around with the buttons to see what else you could do. If you want to visit our website, you could definitely go to this link right here. It'll take you directly to our website. I hope this helped. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.